we're going to watch the full performance of SB19 at the 2025 H2O Pop Music Awards. This video was uploaded by Just in Time. Shout out to you. The title of the song isn't listed, so let's not keep this waiting. Let's hit play and find out what SB19 has in store for us. Hindi nila concert yan. Music awards lang. I think so. Okay, wala akong idea kasi. Hindi ako nakakapanood sa kanila ngayon. Yeah, talagang ano to. Yung reaction na to, as in wala akong alam. Phantoms are really great, right? I mean, the camera is steady the whole time. Unlike the other videos where the camera moves around so much of the angle keeps changing. It can get distracting, but with Phantoms, perfect. Wow. Gano'n kaya sila kalaki dyan? Oh, pinaghandaan. Ano yung una? Dam. First song is Dam. Oh! Kali sila sa ilalim. Wala silang backup dancer. Okay, 5 sila. Oh. Gustong gusto ko yun. Yeah. Si Josh. Ay, may dancer. Yeah. Bago ko makalimutan, their VTR here is super epic. Yeah. Hindi ko lang nasabi kanina. Kasi, pulang-pula yung background nila. Live na live. Yes, and it already gives you goosebumps right from the start. You can really feel the hype building up. It's such a strong intro. Live 2 eh. Yes. And you can hear the crowd screaming already. Yeah. Nakaka-hype ang cheer ng mga nanonood sa kanila. And that energy really adds to the whole performance. So good. Kasama yun nila yung dancer nila? O dancer? Kasama nila. Okay. May budget? Yes. Nakahubad ba? No. Ay, skin tone yung suot. Nangingibabaw yung boses ni Estelle. Yeah. Super ganda. And there's the setup so absolutely stunning. It looks so good and really adds to the whole vibe of the performance. And wow, they really got international now. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Grabe. Ang bilis ng pag-angat talaga na. And super deserve. Justin kumakanta. I know what? Nag-search ako. And if I'm not mistaken, that arena can hold around 12,000 people inside. Wow, that's a lot, yeah. Pero kung mali ako, just comment down below. Wow, Ken Voice. Ken Voice. Wow, goosebumps. Parang may stabilizer yung boses nila. Yeah. Kasi hindi nawawala. Yes, you can really hear how full and clear the voices are. Hot na hot ang mic. They're definitely using hot mics. You can hear every detail of the focus so clearly. It's so crisp. And wow, basta yung dance din nila. Talagang nagsasayaw sila. Full dance to, no? Diba? Yeah. Ooh. Si Estelle talaga. Yung boses ni Estelle, kung hindi mo alam na lalaki siya, mapagkakamala mong babae ang kumakantaan, nakakahit ng notes na ganun. And you know, like everyone's voice really stands out. And the dancers, then, kudos sa kanila. You can really feel their energy on stage. They were going all out. So, major kudos to them too, sa mga dancer. Yeah. This one they're performing right now, we actually already reacted to that sa Wish Bus. If you wanna check it out, we did a full reaction to the Wish Bus performance of this song. And next song na.
Doon ka.
Doon ka. Oh. Hindi pa natin to na-react.
Hindi pa, bago kasi yan.
Yeah, we'll get to that one next.
Wow, boses ni Ken.
Yeah,
Superb.
sister yung nag-start na song, kumakatok siya. Ang vibe nito parang 80s ba? Tama ba? Hindi ko kasi masyadong alam.
Matang 90s.
90s? Retro? 80s vibe? 90s vibe?
Yeah, para sa akin Sa akin
Comment-
lang yun.
Comment down below sa mga nakakaalam. Let us know in the comments what vibe you're getting from this song, okay? I'm really liking it. The vibe is so good. Your dance step are super cute din. Kahit ano lang, hindi pa siya masyado nagda-dance.
Bland pala si Ken.
Ayun, di ba? Super cute. Bland si Ken, oo. Si Diyos talaga. Lakas na dating, no? Charismatic. Ayan,
Grabe.
Marcel. Nagpa-flex, Crystal.
Taas ng boses.
Maganda talaga. Hot na hot ang mic. Hot din, sister. Palo daw.
Wala silang backing tracks.
Wala,
As in live yan?
hot ang mic. Wow. Ang lakas. Sobrang sayaw ni Pablo.
Sana
Sexy,
di nilagyan ng ilaw para
Ha?
kita natin.
Kailangan yung pampahype. Ganda ng sayaw, ng super cute.
I like their outfits. Red and black combination.
Wow. There are also some interaction happening, which
Oh.
make it even more fun to
Ay,
watch.
nagubad si Josh.
Kinilig?
Di pala nagubad. Tinanggal lang yung jacket niya.
Ah.
Parang,
Ikaw naman, puro
konti.
kahubad. Ano ba yan? Baka tayo ma-block na.
Party song.
Ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Estel. Kung
Nag-a-adlib
mapapakinggan mo talaga ng naka-earphone siya. Hindi mo pagkakamalang
sexy.
panlalaki, pambabae. Yung ano na to, yung choreography focuses more on a hip movement, no?
Yeah. At saka nakakapagod.
Mga voice nila nun. Ang strong
Sino
and
yun? May
steady.
lumalabas.
Ha?
May lumabas sa likod. Sino?
Ayan, oo. Taiwanese.
May collaboration sila?
Hindi, ngayon ko pa lang naman din napanood.
Ay, hindi pa
Malamang Taiwanese yan. I'm super familiar with them, to be honest.
What?
But I think they might be really popular in Taiwan right now. I think they're a boy group.
Taipei yan, di ba?
Yes, Taiwan.
Okay.
And then dancing to it looks like they really practice hard. And they're actually really good dancers.
What song is that?
Let me know in the comment if I got it right. If they're a boy band, if I'm wrong, feel free to correct me or just do a quick search. But right now, let's just enjoy and keep watching.
Kento.
Hala, parang ako lang ang nagkakausap sa sarili ko.
I hear you.
Okay? Kasi basta. Ayan, Gento. This is an amazing song that really became a global hit. And honestly, Pablo did such a great job composing this. The song is just so well done. It's not surprised it became this big. It's really that good. I like this song. Malakas ba yung boses ko?
Hindi, mahina. Nilayo mo eh.
Nilayo ko ba? Jesse's voice has really improved a lot, right? Like, it sounds even better now. And I say that because I've heard his voice before. So I can really tell the difference with all the song they play for over our time. You can see how much he's grown and gotten used to it. He's really mastered it now. Tama?
Sabay-sabay sila, ya.
At tinan mo, hindi man ako sinasagot. May sarili mundo.
Sinagot ko, di ba? Sabay-sabay sila, ya. Sumagot ako. Nauna lang yung sagot ko.
Okay.
Sagot
Ayan
sa'yo.
na, sige. Dance break. Bang, 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 bang.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng stage nila, no? Nasa gitna sila.
Iikot.
Yes.
May bumaba.
It looks amazing yung stage nila talaga.
Sino yung bumaba?
I don't know. Which kudos to Taiwan for the setup.
Yeah,
Talaga, sobra amazing.
Oo.
The stage design was so creative with SB19 completely surrounded, ano? It really gave the performance an epic feel.
Oo. Ito na naman. Grabe
Kim
boses.
talaga, no? Gusto ko yung boses niya. Pero lahat naman gusto ko ang boses. Pero kakaiba boses ni Kim. Pero wala pa akong bias. May sinabi na ba akong bias?
Wala pa. Lahat naman
Ayoko
sila.
mamili. Gusto ko silang
Lahat
lahat.
sila bias natin.
Lahat gusto ko. Basta. Huwag mo papipili na.
May kanya-kanya kasi silang, karisma. Kaya mahirap mamili. Ay, may kasama ulit sila.
Pag bumalik yung Taiwanese group.
Wow. Grabe yung song na to.
Super hit talaga.
Yeah. Lalo sa Taiwan pala.
Okay guys, if I'm not talking or quiet for a bit, it just means we're really focused on watching. Don't worry. We'll definitely share our thoughts right after this performance. We're just watching.
Di ba sila napapagod?
Hindi. Masaya kasi mag-perform. Hindi mo halata, ano, di ba? Parang tayo, halimbawa tayo nanonood, tayo pa ang pagod. Sila gumagalaw talaga, kumakanta. Ayan. Goosebumps already.
Unbelievable. Amazing.
Oh, At this final part, all of them together, wow. Watching
Oh.
this live bisa na sa amazing experience. It's so hype. I actually got goosebumps here. Ayan, no? Ayan. Nasa stage na sila. Super awesome. Oh. Talagang
Grabe.
inaral pa ni mga tinuro nila,
Yeah.
Or pwede rin alam na nila dahil nga super sikat nung kanta na Gento.
Ang masasabi ko dito, ako ang napagod. Sa sobrang galing nila. Okay, yung hours lang to eh. Akala ko concert. Then yung sa vocals nila, ang masasabi ko, sobrang, alam mo yun, yung para kang nanood ng, yung well-produced na na MV, ganun. Yung talagang,
Yes.
pero hindi mo, talagang live sila. Okay, ang ganda.
Hindi ka pa paniwala. Nagda-live talaga Pilipino. Kahit
Hindi, ibig
sino.
sabihin ko, yung mic nila hindi
Ah,
nawawala.
pero oo. Oo naman.
Sobrang
Ano
nakaka-amaze talaga. Diba mas maganda pa nga yung mga fancam sa mga live minsan. Kaya ako talaga pa, kung pabipiliin mo ako, mga fancam ang pinanonood ko talaga. Favorite ko.
Oo, sinabi ko rin kanina yun na gusto
Yeah.
ko ang fancams kasi alam mo, ang
Just
kaibahan
like
ng fancams, steady lang ang camera. Kung magiging, talaga yan, kung yung kuha na ng hito, pero maganda rin naman yan. Pero iba talaga ang fancams. Sige. Ako na ba magtotot?
Hindi pa. Ako nagsasalita.
Ay, sumagot ako.
Saka yung, diba, marami nagre-reklamo sa kanila, ba't sila, sikat sila sa international. Deserve naman.
Talaga ba? May nagre-reklamo?
Oo! Marami yan. Siyempre, Pilipino eh.
Nagre-reklamo?
Pinoy eh.
Hindi reklamo ang tawag dun. Maraming,
Nagbabash.
bashers.
Basta rin yun, diba? Ikaw ganun din yun.
Ano, basta sa bahala sila dun.
Kasi ngayon, marami na sa kanila. Hindi lang Pinoy yung nanonood sa kanila, pati mga non-Filipino, diba? Nanonood na rin sa kanila.
Yes.
Kaya,
Hmm.
may talent naman kasi, kaya ganun sila kasikat. Saka, sila yung dance nila, synchronize sila. Sabay-sabay.
Doon talaga sila nakilala sa pagiging, synchronize sa pag-dance din.
Ang angas nila sa stage.
Yes, absolutely.
How about you? What's your thoughts?
Okay, ako na ngayon. So, my overthought. Ito na ha. Makinig kayo guys. Incredible po from sa start to finish. The energy nila, vocals, and choreography, everything was on point. Each member brought something powerful to the stage, and you could really see how much they grew up and improved. The stage design in Taiwan was stunning, and the crowd's energy made it even more exciting. You can feel the connection between SB19 and the fans, and moments like those just give you on chills. Ako, chills na chills. Sobrang chills and goosebumps yung talaga, sobra. Live vocals naman were strong, especially while dancing, and the production overall felt world class. It's the kind of performance that reminds you why SB19 has gone global. Without a doubt, I'm giving this a perfect